What was I gonna say? We need Ken here to explain what Honey Badger Day is, but basically, Honey Badger Day, it's when okay, so on a legit Honey Badger Day, the close of today, so sometime during power hour, the price is going to at least hit the price of SPY is going to at least hit um the the open of today. So yeah, the close of yesterday rather, right? Or something like that. I don't know, either the open of today or
Or
the close of
whichever is
yesterday,
lower.
whichever is lower, right? So so today it's kind of a muted gap, but basically the lower this goes, the more likely it's gonna hit the close of yesterday. This is yesterday's 5-minute chart, by the way. And yeah, this is the 5-minute chart on here. Like we could take a look at the historical there if we want to see the multi-day. But yeah, it's not that big of a difference right now. But yeah, we're getting a little bit of. I should not have SPY up. I should have QQQ up because that's. But yeah, manipulation is positive on both right now. So I think we're gonna get some early morning weakness. That's usually what happens on a Honey Badger day. Here's Reese. Okay, just gotta let these people in. Hi, Reese. Um, so yes, I guess I'll just repeat myself since more people in now. But Honey Badger Day, it basically means that today is gonna be green at some point, which is only 0.1% difference right now. And it's not a trade that I think you should take right away because Honey Badger days often have early morning weakness. And and a lot of times we get like this U-shape pattern in a Honey Badger day. This horizontal line is the break-even line. So a lot of times we get like a bottom at like either 8 or like 10:30 to 11. I don't know if I have the stamina to talk for that long. But you don't want to be jumping in too fast right away. There you go. I was looking at the futures last night and uh and the pre-market too, and it was all green. And I went to sleep thinking to myself, when I wake up, this is going to be red because QQQ manipulation was positive and also Honey Badger days tend to have some early morning weakness. You guys have any questions or anything you want me to go through in particular? It's about a 1 minute until the open. Oh, I gotta get out of my Dell puts so I could focus on the SPY trade. I just bought 50 Dell puts just for fun. Um, yeah, but I need to. Oh, why do I have SPY open? Okay, QQQ. Here we go. 5-minute QQQ. And yeah, so like if this was a more guaranteed Honey Badger day, I would say buy a few calls at the open, but it's not. So I think we need to wait for it to get stretched a little bit first. Okay, my Dell puts, um, the spread is really wide right now, so I should wait a little bit to for it to exit. Yeah, so yeah, the bigger this SPY red number becomes, the bigger our profit becomes. And right now, manipulation looks positive. Yeah, manipulation is 0.01 and well, oh, I need to get rid of SPY. I'm gonna move this here. And QQQ manipulation is negative 0.01. Yeah, so no really strong reason to buy right now. Dell's down 1%, so let me just try to test the market here. See if I can get out of some of my puts. Yep, there's getting a little bit bigger bid here. Uh-oh. They're not taking it. Oh man, I have to really hit the bid. Ah, I'm getting I'm getting fleeced on these puts. Yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna get rid of these just so I can focus. Any questions on the platform or anything that I'm talking about, guys? I know it's really early, so
What makes today a honey badger day?
um yeah, I guess I'll get into that. So actually QQQ manipulation is getting a little bit bullish right now. So I don't know. I mean, should I? Should we buy on this for this tiny little gap fill? I don't know, man. Yeah, QQ manipulation is a little bit bullish. I'm a little bit tempted to buy for this gap, but I don't know. Man, I haven't this gap is gonna fill, I think. I haven't traded in a long time. By the way, you know what? I'm just not gonna trade, and I'm just gonna tell you guys what's gonna happen. Okay? So I just told you guys this gap is probably gonna fill. And notice how QQQ started going up after I noticed this bearish bullish manipulation, and it was negative 0.05 and now it's negative 0.07. That means it's becoming increasingly more bullish. Okay, and it's a really small movement right here, but you guys see my cursor here? See how this gap is decreasing, and we're slowly about to get that gap fill. It's just a few cents, but I mean it's worth, look, look, it's in the green now. It's magical, isn't it? So yeah, there you go. Manipulation, it works. Negative 0.08. So again, it's getting increasingly bullish. Now, in this situation, you do want to keep in mind that if if the negative manipulation, if the number stays the same, then that means it's kind of losing its momentum. But if that negative number keeps becoming more negative, then you can rest assured that at least for the next few seconds, it's gonna continue going up. Um, yeah, yeah, we got this QQQ gap fill here that I was talking about, and I could get into what a honey badger day is. Oh, yeah. See, now notice here, manipulation was negative 0.08. Now it's negative 0.09, and now it's negative 0.03 on the next bar. That means that smart money is still buying here. And one really fast and handy way to see if the manipulation indicator is becoming increasingly bearish or bullish is just by the color of this circle right here. So see how it's well, it's when it's yellow, that means it's not changing. When it's red, that means it's ticking bearish. And when it's green, that means it's bullish. So notice how the most recent tick was a red tick, right? And then right after it went down a few sets. And that red tick was just only like 0.01. But so notice how manipulation was negative 0.03 before. I don't know if you guys can see, like the number pops up here when I highlight this. So look on the left side of my screen here. I don't know if I can make this any bigger. Can I zoom it in? Okay, that's that just looks weird. But you guys see on the left side, right? As I move my cursor, the manipulation number pops up. Okay, so now manipulation became 0. So now it's becoming less bullish. Now this doesn't mean that it's going to go down. Um, to get like a really strong reading, we need to. Okay, so now it's getting more positive. It's 0.02 right now. So so yeah, well, we're having a little bit of little bit of sell off from smart money, but again, this is a weak honey badger day, so we want to err on the side of bullishness. And again, like, with manipulation, you want to kind of wait for it to get to extreme values. Exceptions are when it's a really fast moving market, like this opening candle is really fast moving because there's a lot of uncertainty, and people are just waking up after the weekend, and they're, you know, all of the supply and demand is reaching equilibrium. So that's why I was able to call out that gap fill so well, because you know, because there's just a lot of eyes on it right now. Looks like we have some bullish manipulation here on SPY, and QQQ is becoming bearish. So yeah. But again, if you look at the absolute values, the MT is less than 1 on both SPY and QQQ. So really not something you want to bet the farm on, but yeah, just something to keep in mind. And if this were like FOMC or something, then we can see manipulation jumping up and down by whole numbers rather than decimal points. So those are situations where you can make a lot of money really fast. Um, yeah. Okay. Well, I guess I have time to take a peekaboo. So honey badger days. Why is honey badger day? Because we get this big steep spike, and it has to reach a high absolute reading as well. So today was 60, 65. It's really not that high, but it's the highest it's been in a while. So we'll definitely get some short squeezing, uh, probably late in the day today. And then,
Can you explain what we're looking at here?
oh, so this is just the honey badger signal, and uh, you want for a honey badger day, you want yeah. So this line and these bars are kind of a measure of a measure of short sentiment. So when the line spikes, it means that there's just a lot of people shorting. Let me switch this to QQQ just to have it on the screen. Oh yeah, well looky do. After the positive manipulation, then it went down. You see? Uh yeah. Oh, and it's also very important to keep keep an eye on the options volume, and see with the options volume, we see that the blue line is above the purple line, which means that people are buying calls right now, which is really not good. We definitely want to be leaning short, because it's a combination of the positive the positive call volume and the positive manipulation. So yeah, don't go long here, guys. I mean, you know, that the thing about these charts is I could um I could call it out for you guys, but it's really a lot faster to just look at the charts and decipher it for yourself. Like, my voice is just gonna get hoarse just repeating it myself over and over. But as you can see, I'm literally calling what's happening in the market. The first opening candle, I said it's gonna go up, and it went up to the close of the yesterday. And then on the second one, I said, oh, it's getting a little bit bearish now. And then because of this QQQ, and then next thing you know, it starts going down. So this is just how the software works. We just magically see bar by bar what's going to happen. And yeah, it's definitely a useful a useful tool um, to assist you in whatever trades that you're doing. Because a lot of times you might have some kind of idea on doing some trade for some other reason, like, maybe like a fundamental reason or whatever. And this software, it helps you time your entries and your exits a little bit better. We're getting more positive manipulation here on QQQ. So even though it's the honey badger day, you don't want to be long here. It's too risky, especially with the call volume. Although we are getting a bar here with the put volume higher than the call volume. Now let's go back to where's my paint? Did I close my paint already? I guess I could redraw it. But remember, guys, I said that honey badger days, a lot of times it's this U-shaped pattern. So we are like here right now. So we need to go all the way down to 8 to 8:30 or 10:30 to 11. Oh, sorry. This is Pacific time. Okay. So if you guys are on the East Coast, then add 3 to this. I'm just so used to just trading on my own that I don't really.
I'm trying to figure this fucking shit out that this guy's doing live.
Well, if you have questions, you could ask me. Whoever's trying to figure this shit out. No questions? It's live for a reason. You could ask questions. Okay. Everyone's just shy. They only want to talk to their girlfriends and not me. Okay. Yeah. As you can see, QQQ manipulation, it's increasingly getting bigger, so it's bearish for now. And again, pay attention to this circle, and see how it's not red anymore. So yeah, when it gets red and stays red, then you know that the manipulation is still happening. Okay. See, now my del puts would have been more profitable. Oh well. Okay, back to
Never
this.
finished. Yeah, oh yeah, there you go. Never mind.
What? Oh, you want me to talk about squeeze?
Yeah, I never finished the question about like the honey badger day.
Yeah. So the squeeze, um, you want this sharp little spike here, and you want preferably a big orange dildo here. And yeah, like to give you an example, this was a honey badger day, and the next day it's green. Next day after green too. This was honey badger day. The it went this one it dipped. Let me zoom in. Oh, this one was actually a failed honey badger day, but then the next two are green after that. Um, yeah. This one, oh yeah, this is the U-shaped day that I was talking about. So notice how like there's a big bottom wick, but it opens and closes around the same price. It like I can't tell from the candle, but it looks like it went up in the beginning of the day, then it went down, then it went back up to meet the close. Here's another honey badger day. So notice how we open here and then we just go straight up. It's an uptrend day. And then Here's another honey badger day, another U-shaped day. So notice how this occurred. Well, actually, no, the scaling's wrong. That's 58, 54. That's not that big of a honey badger day. But yeah, notice how well, it's still a spike, but it occurred after a big rally or whatever. Is this honey badger day? Scaling's kind of off. Oh yeah, this is honey badger day. Yeah, so this is the signal day, and the next day is the day that we can trade it. So notice again, it goes down, and then you go all the way back up to the close. And yeah, it's just sometime within power hour, it's gonna hit the open again. Um, yeah, boom,
Are you just
boom.
looking at spikes or is there a particular number it should hit?
Well, yeah, I'm looking at spikes right now because it is kind of relative to like the general sentiment of the market. The problem is we did update the data recently, so the numbers are a little bit off. By the way, I did say that it's bearish on that QQ, and the next bar also red.
Oh yeah, you
So
said don't go long.
yeah, so I'm calling it bar by bar. I don't know what more you guys want, but people can't seem to figure this shit out. I should just fucking automate this whole thing. This is too much work. Okay, so yeah, it's just yellow right now, so nothing much going on. Yellow, and it's like kind of close to the zero line here. Yeah, any questions about Honey Badger Day? What causes it? Shit like that. See, look, this is Honey Badger Day. This reading is actually 72 and 80. This is a very strong one. And the next day, a little bit of an uptrend day, and then the next day after that, gap up. And they have like long-term effects too. It's not like immediate next day effect only. You know, that's the thing about stocks is that things play out over varying time periods. Yeah, this is a very interesting Honey Badger Day because this actually this happened in the middle of the COVID crash. So if you can see the next day, like we we rally all the way up here, almost fucking touch the previous day's candle. Really, really strong rally. So so yeah, Honey Badger Days is often early morning weakness and then big strength later. Here's another Honey Badger Day, 72.70 rating. Next day we get green, and a couple days after that we get green too. Here's another Honey Badger Day. We have that U-shaped thing, and then a big multi-day rally. Another Honey Badger Day. Another Honey Badger Day, and another one. So you guys can just go back and look for yourselves. You know, notice how here we got a really high rating, 75.70, and then we just get this huge rally to the moon. So
Yeah.
yeah, a
Yes,
lot.
there's oh
Yeah,
sorry.
yeah. Like notice how like these spikes they occur near local bottoms, right? So yeah, this is 62.60. And yeah, that's because when a lot of people are shorting, they need to cover, and that causes a short squeeze. And that's the indicator that Honey Badger Day is based off of. Yeah, both of these are Honey Badger Day. This I guess is a failed one. Yeah, and the second one is like a success, but it's small. Here's one, and then the next day, I guess it's technically a failure on intraday basis, but then it marks the bottom. Here's one. Here's one. Yeah, all of them in a row, they all are successful. So you guys can just visually go back and see, like the local bottom right on this spike. So you guys can go back and see it's a 90% win rate. on a multi-day basis. Well, I haven't been paying attention to QQQ SPY. We have a green thing here, which means and and we're also getting more we got more put volume here on SPY, which is an important indicator. So see how the purple line spiked here? That means that the call put balance is shifting in the opposite direction. Man, I'm getting tired of talking. And it's like so it's so like non-interactive. Yeah.
No, that's great. I mean, I like to learn about your system. So,
Oh, good, good. What's your username in the Discord?
um, uh, dad trader.
A dad trader? Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
hi.
Hi, dad trader. We recognize you. Um,
So the expected today is, like you said, kind of a swoon down. I mean, whether it's extreme or not, it's hard to say. And then
the
probably
expectation.
sometime around UK close, we can look for like an uptick or something.
Yeah, I mean, we could just get an uptrend day right out of the gates as well.
I see.
But given that we have, well, yeah, for example, right now manipulation is starting to turn bullish here. So we might get a opening range breakout and then turn into uptrend day. But the honey badger day, it's kind of like, you've heard about the Fed put, right? So it's kind of like
Right,
this guarantee where if it does go down today, then you can buy pretty much without any fear of losing money. But
right,
but it's not going down. So and it's not like such a strong honey badger day that we're guaranteed the money either. So it's just basically it just means that there's a lot of people short, and that means that there's a lot of fuel to fuel a rally if
right.
things
Like a
start
lot
to.
of people went short on Friday because they were scared or freaked out or whatever.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
1% down. I mean, it's really nothing, but it plays on people's emotions.
yeah. Um, looks like SPY and QQQ are
You're
really.
saying like a lot of people went short on Friday, and then basically today they're going to close out at some point. They're going to go the opposite way, which causes a squeeze.
Yep, yep. And you never know, like sometimes, like you saw that squeeze chart that I was showing you guys, sometimes there's a lot of people short, but they just somehow bear the pain for 2 days, and then you know the rally starts 48 hours later rather than.
I see. I
Yeah.
see.
But again, it's 90% of the time they cover today. I mean, that's not to say that everybody covers today, but there's enough people short. It's like a seesaw. There's enough people on one side of the seesaw that it can only go in one direction at that point.
Right, right.
We're getting a really big divergence here on QQQ and SPY. Like this is positive 0.65 and this one's negative 0.31. And in those situations, when it's going in completely opposite directions like that, I found that a lot of times it's like it's arbitraging the delta between indices. So when it's in conflict like that, it's not as good, the ultra short
Yeah, it's
term.
really choppy action right now.
Yeah.
Buys range bounded
Okay,
about a
now
dollar.
now it's bullish. Now it's bullish on both. Wait, actually, it's becoming more bet on SPY. But yeah, this manipulation it became negative 0.22 and QQQ is negative 0.17. So in the ultra short term it is bullish, but yeah, we're just about to close the first hourly candle here. And again, these are really small values today for some reason. Usually it's bigger than this.
So puny.
Yeah, yeah. So whatever effects that I'm calling out, they're not going to be as strong as they would be if this were a harder hitting day. But
We see that.
I did say bullish, and then a few seconds later, it goes up.
So we see that spike on SPY with the kind of M on the right there. I mean, is that indicative of bearish action or?
Yeah, this is bearish on SPY, but I would not have shorted here because simultaneously on the same candle we were
Oh,
bullish on
bullish.
QQQ. Yeah.
Oh wow.
And
Yeah.
I do weigh QQQ more than SPY usually. But we do prefer to be aligned as it is now. Or in the case of in the case of the morning, I think it was just QQQ on its own. And SPY not doing anything.
A sleepy day.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
haven't taken any trades today. There's just nothing. I
Yeah,
mean, I
if I
guess I could do some spreads, but
Oh yeah, like if you sell some puts today,
yeah.
sell some put spreads, then it's free money. You could just take a nap. Because
Maybe I'll look into it. Yeah.
if you think about it, like this thing is gonna go back at least to the open price today, no matter what. So you just burn theta for the whole day. Anyway,
Wow.
so as I said before, guys, it's looking bullish now, and what do you know? The candle turns green. So I'm just calling it play by play here. Um, yeah, it works. Dunder Mifflin's better than prison.
Let's see. There's some low risk.
But it's a sleepy day and there's not a lot of movement, and yeah, the circle's becoming red too, and I don't know.
It's a good day for teaching.
What? A good day for teaching?
Yeah, it's slow. You don't have to like be all frazzled.
Oh yeah, that's true. And I'm glad I'm not trading today. I decided not to trade today too, because if I'm like entering trades and trying to talk at the same time, like I'm not good at multitasking. So
Yeah, that's true. This is better.
yeah. Yeah, but to really go bullish, we want MT on both to become negative. And we're not that far from it becoming negative, but yeah.
Oh, we still have 8:30 bottom time. It's like
Yeah. Yeah, but
day.
that's not it's not guaranteed that it's gonna go down. It's just guaranteed that if it does go down, it's gonna go back up. And even then, today's not really a guarantee. Oh look, QQQ flipped to negative here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So this is probably where Hosu would buy calls.
Maybe I dip my toe in a little. Keep adding.
Yeah, so here's the 30-minute range right now. So we can break out to the upside or break down to the downside. It's still in flux right now. Do we have any economic data, come to think of it? This is a great site for looking at the economic data. We have the Treasury auction at 8:30. Am I on Pacific time? Let's look on Pacific time. Yeah. Wait. Oh, we are on Pacific time. Yeah. So in like an hour and a half, we'll get the Treasury auction, which is not that big of a deal. Yeah, no economic data today, really. Okay, so now we're getting positive manipulation on both. Just a tiny little positive manipulation. So that means you no longer want to be super bullish. And as the morning goes on, manipulation's also going to lose a lot of its predictive power because the market just gets slower and it works best for fast moving markets. Oh, let me tell you guys about this company I was reading about, this BinFast company. Like, man, like this is a scam. Like this is a total scam of a company, um but who knows like what they're gonna do with it when it's like this manipulated low float company. Notice how manipulation was positive here on this. We're on the daily time frame right now. But yeah, once the lockup expires on this company, like I think it's gonna sell off. But it's risky to short here. We gotta wait for the lockup expiration on this one. So there's my little tip for y'all subscribers.
Mm.
What's ARM doing? I looked at that the other day.
ARM, we can check out ARM.
Um,
Oh, they're trading options on ARM now. That's kind of cool. With ARM, my guess would be that they're gonna pump this up a little bit more before they take it down. Let me check out the was I gonna look? Why was I looking this up? Okay, well it's $81 billion right now. That's pretty expensive for what it is. But but yeah, with these low float stocks, like the price is just completely fake. Like if anything, like positive manipulation can be bullish on this thing because it's so thinly traded that the market makers just set the price to whatever they want it to be. Oh, right. I was checking to see options. No, it doesn't show any options. Then why are we getting options volume on ARM when there's no options? Okay, there are options. Yeah, the options are tradable. They're just not on Yahoo. Okay. So yeah, with stocks where it's as thinly traded as this, the you want to wait for the float to get bigger. And I've also noticed that options volume is really important for these kind of stocks. Like see all this put volume?
Yeah,
That means that there's you don't see it? It's
yeah, I
purple.
do.
Yeah. It's above the call volume line. So that means net on net people are buying puts on this stock. And when people buy puts like this, the market makers, they're gonna think, oh yay, let's take the price up and squeeze them out of their puts. So yeah, then you know the retail, they'll be sitting on these huge losses on their puts and they'll get scared and they'll capitulate, and then the market makers they gobble up all those puts and then they take it back down. And yeah, this process with them squeezing it up and grabbing everyone's puts, I think it's going to take at least another few days. It just IPO'd the other day, so okay, looks like we're getting some more bullishness here on SPY, on QQQ, and then SPY bearish for 2 bars. It's red on both. Yeah, very indeterminate right now. Very rangy. Sorry, guys. Sorry to pick today of all days to be
Okay.
live casting.
I went to a soccer game the other day. It was just like this. Nothing happened. Nobody scored. So boring.
Was it your kid's soccer game?
No, it was. I live in Madison. They have like, regional games. So boring.
Yeah. What did I just close? I had something open just now. Oh, it was the Zoom people. Right. Where's
Yeah, there's just not. There's not enough premium to sell put spreads. So I don't know.
Oh, Simon's asking questions in the chat. Yes, if you guys are shy to use your voice, you can ask questions in the chat too. Can you guys see this chat window open, or is it just me?
I have my
I
own
got
open.
Oh, okay. Yeah, maybe it's just me. Maybe Zoom doesn't show. But yeah, notice how the manipulation it went bearish, and the next bar it's down and it's red.
So is MT a little bit ahead of the game?
What you mean, like, does it beat the market?
Well, I mean, is it ahead? I mean, you said like it's red, but then the bar, like after that, then the red bar is red. I mean, is it
Yeah.
predictive?
Yeah, of course it's predictive. That's why
Okay.
I use it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's not so much real time, it's actually predictive of, I don't know, whatever time frame you're on.
Yeah. Like when we're talking about like just tiny little fluctuations in manipulation, it's predictive over like, you know, at least a multi-second time frame.
Okay.
Yeah. And when we get really big values in either direction, and especially when we get like a big accumulated MT over the course of a whole day, then it could be predictive for up to 24 hours on QQQ, probably
Wow.
longer on individual tickers.
Um,
And what's SmartFlow exactly?
Oh, SmartFlow is kind of bugged right now. We need to fix it. But
Okay.
yeah, so like basically when I created the software, I had to go to these data providers, and they're different from the data providers that I used internally, because they're charging me all this money to have the right to redistribute the data to the public. So there's some quirks in the data engineering, and so we need to fix SmartFlow. So I think for now, just focus more on manipulation,
Okay.
and of course the options volume, and the other option flow websites, they all focus on sweeps and stuff. So
Right.
so we include those right here on the chart, unlike them. So you get the sweeps with us too if you want. But personally, I've never been much of a sweep trader. It's just kind
Well,
of,
sometimes I feel like you don't know what, even though they claim what direction they are, you don't know.
yeah, yeah.
Like if it's a huge put volume sweep, like you don't know whether they're setting up a hedge or whether they're going long, it doesn't, I mean, it just means that there's volume at that price, I guess, more so than direction.
Yeah, like maybe they serve as inflection points or something. But I mean, I tried I tried it out. I tried out Flow Algo, and it didn't really work well for me. So I
Yeah,
don't I don't use it anymore. I just use my own thing.
yeah. Yeah, no, I've used so many different systems, and like the call or put volume sweep or block or whatever we want to call it. Like what I realize is, one, it's either late by like 5 or 10 minutes, or just because just because the indicator says that it's bullish or bearish doesn't necessarily mean it really is.
Yeah.
It just means that there's activity at that price.
I bought imaginary calls on the last bar.
Oh, why?
It went red. Oh, well.
You mean okay. Um, actually, yeah, looks like we're getting a potential opening range breakout here.
But yeah, in previous honey badger days, there was like early morning weakness we'd buy into, and then we just wait till like power hour.
Yeah, yeah, that's not a bad way to go either.
No.
All right, just you know best. Ho
No.
no, no, Hosu actually makes a lot more money off of my platform than me because she can take risks that I don't feel comfortable taking. I'm just kind of a like in poker they would call me a nit because I'm just super conservative and I just scalp little profits. That's why I only make 100% per year when I could be making 400% per year. In my good years, I made 400% per year, but yeah.
You have a lot of green circles and it's green. It's a nice green bar.
Yeah, yeah, just pay attention to the circles here, guys. MT's bullish right now. Oops, how do I?
Ugh, I'm getting itchy. I just have one more check to clear and I'll be back in the game.
Okay. Reese, do you have a mic, Reese?
Hi. Sorry, my
Give it a
phone
hi.
was on.
Oh, Reese says hi.
Hi, Reese.
I hear men talking in the background.
Yeah.
What a sausage party.
It's actually not. Like it looks like there's like 30% girls or if you count if you get
Me
rid
and
of the
Sarah don't
double
count.
what?
I said me and Sarah don't count.
Okay, if you and Sarah don't count, then it is a sausage party. But Reese actually got to $15 billion on chart game. So
Oh, hell yeah.
yeah, so I think I was surprised. I think she's taking this thing seriously.
Good job, Reese. That's really impressive.
Thank you.
Right now. Let's see. Oh.
Oh, it's Julian. Julian's the one that's talking in the background.
Oh, is Julian talking to us?
No, no,
No.
he's talking to his girlfriend or his wife or something.
Oh. Do we know Julian? Who's Julian?
No?
Okay.
It's a cute little turnout though.
It is. Come on, go red so I can buy more fake calls.
Sounds
Well, Andy's just told me that the sound effects he's added to the charts are working great.
There's
So
sound effects. There's more
yeah,
than hear us.
um, like there's gonna be sound effects for like dark pools and manipulation and that kind of stuff. So yeah,
Oh,
yeah, we'll deploy that. When will we deploy it, Andy?
I think that after forward testing today, if everything looks good, I'll probably deploy it at the end of the day today.
Okay, so starting from tomorrow, you guys get sound effects on the website.
Oh, look at my fake calls go.
Yep, more green circles for QQQ.
Yep, yeah, manipulation is getting more bullish here, so that's good for Hosu's fake calls. Looks like we're just about almost getting an orb here on QQQ. SPY, it's challenging, but not quite at the top wicks.
Both our green circles.
Yeah. We are getting some call volume. Oh, SPY just flipped bullish. Okay. Or no, it's becoming bearish again. Yeah, SPY is indeterminate. Yeah, looks like QQQ kind of almost broke out. I hope Dad Trader at least. Oh, here's Ara. I'll admit him. I hope Dad Trader at least sold some puts or something.
You know,
So
I didn't. There was only like I could only get like 13 cents on them, and it's just like I don't know if that's a.
oh, on the
You
today
know,
expiry ones.
yeah, I don't know. Maybe I should went out a little bit.
No,
I don't know. I'd like to get at
13
least
cents is
20.
too. Yeah, 13 is not enough.
Yeah, it's just like I was a little
Wait, you're
convinced
saying
that.
that the ATMs were 13?
Yeah, it was just like nothing. It was like
Let me
I,
just check it out.
I mean, maybe it's better now, but when I looked, it was like 13 cents. I was
So
like, oh, no.
443 would be. No,
No, I mean,
I see.
I don't sell nakeds. I sell the verticals.
Oh, right. So it'd be, well, even then, like we're selling the 53s and then we're buying the 28s or something, right? So that's still 30 cents, isn't it?
Yeah. If it went in the money, you go 443, 442.
Here, I mean, I'll sell some nakeds just to just for
Wait,
funsies. Oops, did I? Oh, there you go.
Oh,
Okay.
what?
Well, this is gonna be $1,000 by the end of the day, so we'll just hold on to that just for fun. That's enough. That's small enough where I don't have to stress about it, and we'll just keep it on the screen for fun. So for those of you who don't know, this is not like the same as buying calls. This is very, you know.
So you think your 443s will go worthless by the end of the day?
Uh, yeah. Let's see what. Well,
And,
because it opened around 443, didn't it?
yeah,
So yeah. I mean,
I see. Or I could do the 442. Yeah,
yeah. Try
yeah,
to.
especially
You,
because
you should be more
we're
safe
now
than
at
me.
9:30 almost. Yeah.
Yeah, but actually, with you know, who knows? We could get like a big dip in the middle of the day to 8:30, 11. So what am I thinking? I want to get out of this already. That's how conservative I am. Okay, oh man. Okay, I missed. Okay, I'm out. Made my $32.
All right.
Because we're getting this little positive manipulation 0.02 here. I don't like it.
Yeah.
But Hosu, she's just gonna hold and it's gonna break out and then she's gonna make a lot of money. Look, I would have made more money holding
Sucker.
my puts here. I'm just too conservative. I'm just an old man who wants to hold on to his money. But yeah, don't worry about how scared I am. Just use the software the way that serves you the best and serves your own individual risk tolerance.
Yeah.
And looks like we're almost getting an opening range breakout here on SPY as well. So, oh, and the manipulation just flipped bullish again on QQ. Really, it flipped big time because it was like slightly positive there, wasn't it? And then it just suddenly boom, just went down. So, man, I wish I was in my puts now, in my sold puts. But yeah, so now you can really rest easy on the puts. You sold the 442s, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think
Well,
it's going back there.
or you could rest easy for the next 5 minutes or however long manipulation is good for.
Pussies don't make money.
Wow.
I'm gonna wait for 8 to 8:30 bottom and hopefully buy some calls if we get a dip.
You're gonna buy calls, Sarah? At bottom? Fine.
Manipulation's
Yeah,
getting a little bit bearish here. We have double red on both right after I sold my puts. Yeah, it's ticking up a little bit, so I think I'm especially scared because I'm live streaming right now. It's like it's like I don't know, like I don't want to lead people astray with what they should be doing, and I just become self-conscious.
Good guy, Tay.
Yeah, I don't want people to lose money because of me. Yeah, this red QQQ manipulation, it's not good.
Yeah. Today's looking really weird. I mean, if we can break above 371 with some power, I think it goes for a while. But if not, then I think we just kind of hang around.
Yeah, no power today. It's just
Yeah. Well, that home builders stuff is just amazing. I mean, people are still buying new homes, but they're not buying existing homes. They don't want to buy broken appliances. But it also means that people are like, somehow people have enough credit to get a 7% mortgage, and banks are willing to take that risk. It's just crazy. It's a crazy market right now.
yeah. If you look at the
I mean, 7%. Wow, it's, I don't know what the mortgage rate is right now. It's really terrible. 5 to 7%, something like that.
and
We
it's
need
not just
that.
that, the affordability is at the worst it's ever been.
Yeah.
The home price to income ratios. Well, I'm out of my sold puts again, so now I'm up 91 bucks, as you guys can see.
All right. There you go. State of decay. That they
Yep.
your best friend.
Yeah, until we get like a definitive breakout, I'm gonna be really tepid. I would actually prefer we break down to the downside. Then I would get greedy.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
balls to the wall.
Yeah, I'd like to see it down at 442 again. But it's hard to say. I think today is kind of a rangy day.
Man, that's so slow. Did you already exit out of your position tag?
Yeah. I, you can't see my screen?
Yeah, I'm looking at it. That was just okay.
Yeah, this is what I made, $91.
Mm.
Yeah, it keeps challenging the top of the opening range. Oh, we're gonna get the hourly range in 2 minutes. So that would be a perfect time for it to break out, actually. Yeah, I was hoping this thing would go down a lot today so that I could just confidently buy calls and look cool in front of everybody, but we can't really, you know. It's
Here,
instead maybe we'll just break out after the hourly range and then Hosu will look cool with her fake calls.
So when your charts aren't synced red and like they're yellow and green right now, I mean that's an indicator just like indecision in the market.
No, I mostly rely on QQQ. If it's like
Oh, you
green,
do?
if it's green and red, then that's one thing. But
So because QQQ is a tighter index. So
um
so you're
I
saying like right now QQQ is bullish.
yeah, it's also like
SPY is kind of undecided.
it's not just the color, but it's like how far away from the blue line it is. So see the orange line and see how it's
Yeah,
like kind of below the blue line whereas like SPY right here, it's only like just a touch above the blue line. It's
right.
it's different if it's like kind of a but if SPY is like pretty much break even and QQQ is okay, oh no, we're getting see this is why I can't talk and trade at the same time because
Yeah.
I was sitting on a profit just now I would have taken it but anyways but yeah now we're getting QQQ bearish.
I see. I see.
Yeah.
Thank you for that fair trade.
No, that's fine. This is peanuts to me. But
Okay.
yeah. Um yeah, I guess I could get out of some, I guess. We have the hourly bar formed. Oh, and it's green, so I can hold a little bit. Oh yeah. I'm at $163 now.
Holy shit.
And keep in mind, guys, I'm betting like a notional value of like $1,000 at a time or something.
Ka-ching.
Oh, look, and I should have held. I think um yeah, well, yeah, whatever. We'll just watch and we'll follow the charts. Getting some sudden bearishness here on QQQ.
Oh yeah.
Wow, quite the spike. It's almost MT is almost turning positive. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. It just flipped. It just flipped, which means I sell puts. Ah, okay. I hope I hope you guys saw that live. Like
Did. That
it
was
it
cool.
it just flipped down like boom. And now MT is negative 1.06. So yeah.
Previously I cared about like MT of like 10 or greater. Did those numbers change when you guys did updates?
No, no, 10 is still strong, and from our preliminary back test that we've been running, the bigger the number, the better, actually.
Okay.
It doesn't make a huge difference, but bigger numbers do matter. Oh, look, Sarah's here. I can hear myself on her phone.
Hey Tay, I gotta get back to my JOB, so just gonna let
Yeah,
these puts
yeah, yeah.
puts
Enjoy.
expire for the day. I just put in. So
Yeah, just check back around like um are you on Eastern or
I'm
Pacific
in
time?
Central Time.
Central time. Okay, well, check back like 15 minutes before power hour.
Okay,
And because
definitely.
you do want to get out like sometime between 1 hour and 15 minutes before the close and the close. So
Yeah,
yeah, don't hold until the
that's what
close. Yeah,
the big sound is about.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah, lately I found that I used to always let things expire, but like the close is so unpredictable recently. It's just so
Yeah,
volatile.
yeah. Power
Like
hour,
it's
anything can happen in power hour. All bets are off. So just
so if you've got a naked on or a vertical on, you typically close before the end of the trading session.
yeah, absolutely. If it's
Yeah.
yeah, if I have Sarah, can I hear myself on your phone. It's kind of distracting. But anyways, yeah, definitely, unless I'm doing a multi-day hold, I get out either right before power hour or like you know, maybe within the first 15 minutes of power hour. But then there's times when like, I don't know,
When it looks,
yeah, there's
yeah,
times when the shape of the day is such that there's like built up pressure
right.
that needs to have some follow through, and those times I might hold through power hour. So it is situational, but I mean like these are just puts that you are selling, and also another thing that matters, I guess, is how big of an uptrend day today becomes. So like if we go all the way to like, you know, SPY 450 or something, and your puts are like 1 cent, then it kind of doesn't make sense for you to close it out for. I
Yeah,
mean, well, I
yeah,
mean,
it just
I guess
kind of depends on
at 1 cent,
where
yeah,
we're at.
but yeah, you got to look at it from like a risk to reward ratio as well.
Right,
Um,
right.
but yeah, so just check back before power hour starts, and you'll have your
All right,
opportunity to get out at a profit.
sounds good. Have a
Okay.
great one. Hope to
All
trade
right.
with you again sometime.
All right. You too. Bye bye.
Hi.
Okay. Well, now that Dad Trader is gone, I have no one to talk to me or ask me questions. As you guys saw, I did quickly make a few more buckaroos. I'm at $267 now. Um, yeah, you just get in on the negative, and then it spikes here positive, and you got to get out before then. Um, yeah, QQQ is the I believe, yeah, it's the QQQ is the most bearish it's been all day. So yeah, definitely gotta watch out for those.
Oh, big red bar.
Yeah, as long as these are red, we don't wanna we don't wanna fuck with it.
Yep.
Hey, maybe we'll get that opening range breakdown that we wanted. I mean, on
Yeah.
QQQ we're approaching it, but SPY we're still got a ways to go.
Yeah, we got 20 minutes to 8.
Oh, good. Yeah, so after 8:30 when we start heading into lunchtime, that's usually around the time when manipulations starts to not be as predictive for a little bit because it's kind of a lull, kind of a slower time of the day. So we've got like maybe an hour until then. So I guess what I'll do is I will do commentary for about another hour, and then maybe we should take a break because I don't know how I can keep talking without Dad Trader. But yeah, I mean, like so far as you guys can see, manipulation has predicted every move. Getting a little bit of bullish manipulation here.
I'll buy some more fake calls.
Yeah, I don't know about that. No, no, now it's becoming bearish again, so. Yeah,
Keep-
be careful.
Yeah, I'm getting impatient.
Yeah, the key is to wait until 8 to 8:30, especially if it's a range day like today. I don't know, it's almost 8. But QQQ manipulation is a little bit positive here. Oh, and SPY manipulation positive too. Yeah, let's hold off on that. Let's hold off on those fake calls for now.
I'm waiting till 8.
Oh, and then SPY just flipped bullish just now. Okay, fine. Should I enter a little bit of position here? Fuck.
I've been adding to my fake calls this whole time.
Okay. I think I missed my entry just now. Oh, now I'm chasing it. It just keeps getting away from me. Okay. Well, yeah, when you're scalping, when you're scalping like me, you gotta react quickly sometimes. Yeah, we're getting positive on both here, so maybe I should take just a shitty price, huh? Oh no. Oh no. Okay. I got 63 somehow. All right, to the moon we go.
Yay.
Oh yeah.
Very nice.
I was logging into IB and I think I really missed it. But nice entry.
Yeah,
Yeah.
very nice entry.
I'm still recording, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay. I'm up 500 bucks now.
There you go.
You see, kids, trading is a low stress job. Plus, you get to work from home. Yeah, I mean, you guys have any questions, feel free to type it in the chat or something.
Don't be a pussy.
Yeah. I can imagine some of the viewers right now, they're just watching me and they're like, what the fuck is going on? and they don't want to, they're too afraid to ask me. I should just shut down the entire site, refund everybody their money, and just automate the whole system. I'm seriously thinking about that because this whole like trying to get users thing, it's kind of a hassle.
Ooh, our calls though.
So when would you say is the best time to use Big Short, like in the trading day, Tay?
I don't know, just whenever it's moving fast, I guess. And sometimes sometimes it creeps up on you. Sometimes there's like in the middle of the day, like some news will hit the wire and suddenly we get big manipulation spikes. Those are good.
Hmm. So like high volume, high emotion times.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Wow, looks like we might get a breakout here in SPY.
Mm-hmm.
Well, this is the second touch. Or is it? Yeah, it's the second touch of the range, or the 30-minute range at least. I guess the first touch of the hourly. Oh.
Yeah, so does anyone have any questions or any feedback about using the platform?
They're all pussies.
Anything at all?
They don't care to make money.
That's one thing I've realized is that one thing I real one thing that really kind of caught me by surprise in launching Big Short was that people actually really don't want to make money. And that's why they go to the casino and play slots. They're not there to make money. They're just there for the thrill of it.
Degenerates.
And that's why all those snake oil sites with the Instagram ads, that's why they make so much money. Because they make it really simple, you know? It's like, you are gonna become rich. Buy this stock. It's the best stock. And people just like simple like that. They don't want to stare at a chart and figure it out.
Look, they're not even defending themselves. Shameless.
No, I think Reese is taking this really seriously. I think Reese is gonna make some money.
Hell yeah. Ooh, come on.
Yeah, given how slow today is, I don't really see it becoming like this banger of an uptrend day all of a sudden, but who knows? Anything could happen. Oh, what did the arm chart look like? Macro strategy. Interesting. So the ARM chart, we're just, well, there's negative manipulation there, it goes up, and then here it goes down, here it going down. Here, it was, I guess we had a little bottom wick. Yeah. Yeah, I think a lot of people are looking at ARM right now, so good, good. What's going on here?
Nice red bar.
Yeah, we got a little positive manipulation here on SPY, red on both. Okay. We're almost at the HA30 bottom time as well in about 7 minutes.
Oh, we got a positive manipulation spike on QQQ.
Oh, nice. Positive on both. Should I short like 500 shares just for fun? No, I shouldn't short. It's a honey badger day.
Yeah.
Yeah, never short honey badger days.
Right when you said that, it went back up.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, no, there's too much fuel for the upside. So
The market makers heard you.
yeah, and also manipulation is going to be less predictive now because no one is even trading this shit right now. Because it's so flat. Like, look, SPY's up 0.05% today. And that's where it was pretty much all day today. So it's really nothing to write home about. Oh, we're getting double green, now double red. I guess Julian's talking to his girlfriend again. In a foreign language that I don't know.
He's just talking.
What?
Was Julian talking to you?
No, I think he's just talking to his girlfriend
Oh, okay.
or his wife or his roommate or something. Got positive on both here. Yet another approach of the range high.
Oh yeah. Are we rich yet?
I don't know. I think we're about to. I'm kind of tempted to buy a share here. I don't know. I told myself I wouldn't even trade today. Yeah, looks like we're breaking out. Boom. Yeah. We got intra bar breakout at least. Why am I buying here? MT's not even that strong. Let's get the fuck out.
Was that Andy laughing in the background?
Yeah, yeah, you heard him?
Yeah. You're just bored waiting around.
Yeah, I'm just bored. I'm boredom tilting now.
Yeah.
I try to get out at a $4 profit. I missed it. Okay. There you go. I made $8.
Oh, that's a taco.
Oh, and now it's double green. Man, should I really buy back? Wait, let's think about this logically. Negative 0.01, negative 0.57. Yeah, yeah, I could buy here. But no definitive breakout. And it is supposed to be 8:30 bottom. You'd think it would bottom in like 30 minutes or so. Yeah, but I don't know. I'm live streaming, so I guess I won't buy. But yeah, as you guys can see, MT is getting pretty bullish here. Oh wait, no, it just turned red right when I said that. Okay. And my $40. And another reason why I'm just like getting in and out so quickly today is just because it's such a slow day. Like I said, SPY's been stuck at the same price the entire day. So when um when we get bigger swings, you can kind of ride a trend and you can just diamond hand it and make money that way. Whereas today it just is a sleeper. Oh, Mir Bird says, I don't have a mic on my desktop either, but I appreciate you sharing this. Oh no, that's a previous that's a previous chat message. Never mind. Yeah, we got double green here. And yeah.
Ooh.
I think we're getting a break. Technically speaking, we're right at the breakout line right now. So, and we're at the 8 a.m. bottom. So if this goes down until 8:30, then time to buy. I'm gonna end this recording at 8:30, and yeah, I guess I'll come back at like 10:30 or 11, just to. Oh, yeah, MT big downward spike on QQQ. Huh? Should I? But it's red now. It's moderating. Huh. Yeah, it's double red. I don't know what to make of it now.
Hmm.
Oh,
Oh,
nice.
nice.
And Andy told me that he knew because of the sound effect that he heard, with the new sound effects that are programmed into this shit. Great, great. No, no, don't deploy it. Nice, nice.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
All right. I'm up $650 today day trading. It's been an hour and a half and I'm trading tiny, tiny quantities because I'm scared to get emotionally invested in my trades while I'm live streaming. So I'm betting these tiny quantities where it's just peanuts to me. But I still make $650.
That's decent.
Yeah, it's not bad. Like the fact that I made $500 with these puts is actually incredible because the most if I had sold and because I'm selling 20 contracts of this, right? So that's $1,000 worth of puts. So if I had just sold the 20 and then held it until expiration, I would only have made $1,000. And so I made 50% of the entire value, the maximum profit of the puts, and I made that in less than an hour or whatever. So or it's probably less than 30 minutes. I don't remember. We can check the recording. But yeah, $500 is a lot to make on these puts, just so you guys know.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's 50% of max profit. And this is on the slowest of days too.
Yeah, that's pretty cool, actually.
Super slow day.
So slow.
Yeah, hopefully by 8:30 we get like some red and then I can buy and then I can go and take a nap or take a shower or something. But if not, we'll just go on break without being in a position. This this breakout is just teasing us. It's just the stillborn breakout. The breakout that never was.
Oh yeah. Man.
Here
Yeah,
it's
golf and red.
0.03, 0.01. MT is becoming progressively more bearish. Yeah, like if the market makers want to collect shares for the long side, then it's very good for them to manipulate the price downwards when it's kind of slow during like a low volume time of the day.
Mm.
Bless you.
Bless you.
I forgot how hard it is to watch this and not tilt.
Don't worry, we only have 20 minutes left.
Just a few more red bars would be great.
Oh yeah.
Just get us in the red for the day.
That really would be great. And these call volume spikes are really predictive and helpful. So
Oh yeah, call volume spikes on SPY are great.
yeah, like this fat one right here, it led to some green bars. So just keep an eye on that. Great. 8:30 bottom. Let's go.
Yay.
Well, that's kind of fun.
Yeah, it's a super rangy day. So if we miraculously hit the bottom of the range, what a great time to go long.
Mm-hmm.
Well, let's see if I could, because I'm going to be on break for a bit. So maybe I'll sell the 442s the dad trader sold. Oh, they're only trading at 20 cents. That's kind of lame. Well, well, it's just crickets in the market today. Trying to be patient, but I'm tempted to just enter position here. Now Sarah's texting me, so I'm going to check my phone. Well, I think that's an Andy question, right, Sarah? Oh
Yeah.
my gosh, what is this? What is this spike?
No.
This? Oh, but that's on SPY. That's not on QQQ. Still. It is a bit close to the bottom time.
Nothing else to do anyway.
Oh man, I was looking at my phone. I guess once we have the sound effects, I'll be able to react faster. Oh man, I really missed the entry there. Yeah, like if we do get a breakout here, it's going to be a bit of a late day breakout, so it's not going to be as strong as if it was an early breakout. But yeah, it's a hefty little manipulation spike there on SPY. Yeah, I don't know. Anything could happen. We could get a trend day today, but keep in mind we are trading top of the range on what has so far been a range day. And QQQ is not even near top of the range either. So the only thing we really have going for us is that there's this big manipulation spike, and then but it already moved a lot in response to that spike. Yeah. So did I miss the last trade before the break time? I don't know. Maybe. Yeah, manipulation was negative on QQQ in addition to SPY too. So
Yeah, at least people saw that.
yeah. This is what the second or third touch of maybe the third touch of the top of the range. The more times it touches, the more likely it is to break out. And we're still getting a little bit of bullish manipulation here. Got this weird little dark pool here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end this session without holding a position. I don't want to stress about it.
I think I missed my entry too.
Yeah, yeah.
Shoot. It's just getting greedy.
Yeah, I was just looking at my phone, just right at that moment when the spike appeared. Well, here we're getting a little bit of red. See, that's why you don't want to go long top of the range on a range day, guys. Especially a boring ass range day like this. You're gonna get some resistance for sure. And just double yellow MT, it's just there's no reason. You gotta look for reasons to not trade. And right now there's really no reason to trade other than the fact that it's a honey badger day. All right, open range breakout here on SPY. Hosu's calls are printing.
Finally, I'm rich.
It is a honey badger day after all.
Dang it.
Yeah, we should have bought here. This was the
Yeah.
moment of truth right here.
I was looking, I was like, oh, that's looking nice. But then I wanted one more red bar because I'm greedy.
Did the sound effect worked on that negative manipulation? Oh, okay. Well, I'll tell you what, guys, and we'll show off a feature of BigShort as well, which is that we are going to set a Spoden for SPY. And then I'll just have it call me if we hit what? I guess at this point, 440, let's call it 442.8. Because I really don't want to be bothered right now. I want to just relax. No, I think my phone number will work. Also for the live stream, maybe I shouldn't put my phone number there. I don't want to get prank calls or something like that. Yeah, 442.8. Yeah. Or no, 442.9. Fine, well, let's just call it 443. Ugh. I guess I should trade this. Damn it. Oh, great. It's not even working. I just changed my phone number.
Don't look, guys.
We could
Everyone
edit
look away.
we could edit it out in the live stream, I guess. No one cares. No one cares about me or this stupid site. Okay. Okay, so at 443 it'll call me. But I don't think it's gonna hit, well, I don't know, who knows. Either Hosu makes money or it goes to 443 and I have a chance to buy back in. But yeah, I guess that's it for today, folks. It would have been cool if I caught that last one and then I'd be up an even 1,000 bucks or so for the day, but it's fine. It's
Yeah.
fine.
Better not to stress. You need a nap or a shower anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna come back to this at what time, Tay? 11?
Let's come back around. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, like if I don't get that call at 443, like that means that it's just an uptrend day that just got away from us, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I guess we'll peek our head back in at like 10:30. All right, we're back with the skeleton crew. It's a successful honey badger day. Apparently, no one was impressed by me calling the market, and no one is impressed by honey badger day, but that's
Oh,
life.
she's impressed.
Yeah, Reese is the only one who's going to make any money off of my software. Okay, let's see here. Well, we're getting a little bit of pullback after the QQQ spike, which is very predictive. See right here, there's a QQQ spike, and the next thing you know, it goes down. And look, there's another little spike happening here on both SPY and QQQ. So maybe we'll get some more downside. I don't know. Or maybe it's just not predictive because it's too late in the day. But we'll wait, and sometime between 10:30 and 11, if we're near, I don't know, like 443.50 or something, then we could get back in. I mean, I could definitely at least sell some puts or something. Actually, no, I can't. They're too cheap. But we'll go in for a bar or two. Yeah, this occurred at the same time as this. So when it conflicts like that, you gotta cancel it out. Yeah, whereas this one, this 1121, it's aligned with QQQ, so it goes up. But this one, SPY and QQ are opposite. Okay, looks like we also got a little bit of a call volume here and a little bit here too. So this was also like a good sign that we're topping. Notice how all throughout the day, whenever call volume exceeds put volume, like in the morning it was exceeding and then we went down. And then here it was slightly exceeding and then we went down a little bit. And here it was like on the verge of exceeding. So we got some resistance there. And again here and here and again here. So that just shows that the market is too imbalanced in favor of people going long. So that's when it's going to go down. Looks like we have yeah, some more positive manipulation here, but again, it's late in the day. It's not as fast moving, not as predictive. But you know, definitely not a fist pounding time to go long right now. In accordance with traditional technical analysis, yeah, you're supposed to go along here because we have a breakout and then a retrace. So going along here is good, but because we are careful and we look for reasons not to trade, I'm gonna be conservative. Yeah, I don't know. I'm okay to just call it quits right now. We only have Reese and Hosu here. And I think there's not really much left in the day. Honey Badger Day was successful. Everybody made money. Dad Trader made money, Reese made money. I'm sure June made a ton of money.
Are you gonna do more of these kind of videos? Or I mean meetings?
I mean, maybe for the next Honey Badger Day. But like today I just wanted to I just wanted to do a little something so Reese can make her subscription fee back. And she did. She made like 6 months of subscription today.
Oh, no. Job.
What?
I said, nice, good job.
Cricket, cricket.
I'm curious to see what happens in Power Hour though. But yeah, I don't know if we have the patience to wait till then.
Definitely not. That's an hour and a half away.
Yeah. But I told Dad Trader to check to get out of his puts at like 11:45, so that's like an hour away from here. Well, maybe people didn't come because they didn't understand me telling them to come back at 10:15.
Yeah, that's possible.
Yeah.
It's also a work day, so
Yeah.
not everyone's a loser without a real job.
Yeah.
Well, it was the most not unsuccessful, uneventful honey badger day, but worked. Oh
Yep.
yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Oh, Brian said hi.
Oh, hi, Brian.
Hi, Brian.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you.